We use our alphabet to find the duck. Let's give ourselves a big thumbs up.
Hi there, little duck. We're the Super Readers.
Oh, nice to meet you, Super Reader.
Why were you hiding in the bushes?
I'm sad because I can't swim. Aw, Quackers. And I really want to learn so I can go to the swim party. You need to learn to swim over there, in the pond. To the pond! Quack, quack, quack.
Captain Standish, our justice, for not looking after your comfort during this summer.
Do you see super letters?
But his duties gave him no time.
Which letters did you find?
K! E! T! K-E-T.
Yeah. We need to put them into our super computer. 7 more super letters, and then we'll get our super story answer. Excellent progress, Super Readers.